911, what's your emergency?
Yes, I would like to report a murder. Hey, welcome everybody. MightyOxTrading, Topstep, coming in today. Their continued attempt to take down Apex Trader funding. Maybe this is the final knife. We all know everything we've already seen this month from Topstep. Their biggest sale ever that was extended to the end of the month. One step eval. Daily loss doesn't fail you. Just don't hit your end of day drawdown. Your eval last month your eval is free when you take your first payout, etc. But now, some of even these rules, which I consider the easiest evaluation in the business, have gotten even better. That's right. Cross out that 30% consistency rule. Cross out that minimum of 4 days. That's gotten better. How so? How about that? 50% consistency rule, which means you could pass your evaluation in 2 days. That is the second fastest in the business, besides one other prop firm that has same day, but I don't even promote them. I don't like them. I don't consider them a good company. Anywho, Top Step 50% consistency rule means if you have a 50K account, your target is $3,000 to pass. Make 1,500 one day, 1,500 the next day. Bam, you're done. Minimum of 2 days. That is just amazing. And again, all the other changes that they made, only one step, the daily loss, like I talked about. Just don't hit that end of day drawdown. So let's look at this. Let's look at a little comparison here between Top Step and Apex Trader funding in the time to get a payout. With Top Step, it's a minimum of 2 day eval and a minimum of only 5 days of making $200 profit or more to get a payout. They don't have to be consecutively, but if you make profit 5 days in a row, that's all you need. And you can request 50% of your balance with no cap. So that means from the time you start an eval to to the point where you can get a payout is just 7 trading days. That's it. Compare that to Apex. First of all, the Apex eval is 7 days minimum. Right there. And then you have to trade 10 days in funded to get a payout. So now you're up to 17 days before you can ever get a payout. Then in their funded account, you have a 30% consistency rule, which means your payment could be denied if you had one great day and then other days that are mediocre, and that one great day was better than 30% of the amount you want to request. I've heard of people having this happen. One person lost their account because they got denied, and then they ended up accidentally taking a trade on the account that they thought was on Sim. Yeah, it was a mistake on their part, but still, they should have been able to take out their payout before that ever happened, but they were denied. And the amount is capped for the first 3 months. With Top Step, if you make $10,000 in those first 5 days, you can take out $5,000. If you make $500,000, and you're not going to make $500,000, but I'm doing this to prove my point, you could take out $250,000. With Apex, for the first 3 months, you're capped between $1,000 and $2,000 depending on your account size. A 50K account, I think, is 1,250. It's somewhere between 1,000 and 1,500. I don't remember exactly. But you're capped. No matter how much you make, you could have 500,000, $1 million in your account, and you're going to be capped for those first 3 months on your payouts. No cap on Top Step. So, as I said, that massive sale is still going on. Best prices ever. They've extended it to August 1st, 11:59. Yes, Apex has their big sale going on right now too, like they always do. But for just like $15 more, you can get the 50K account with Top Step and it's the end of day drawdown. It's a quicker route to payout, and it's the leader in the prop firm space. In my opinion, that's good reasons to go with Topstep. So check them out. Get yourself funded. Get yourself a payout. Start making this work for you. That's all. Just wanted to report this. Maybe you should call it potential homicide. Attempted homicide? Eh, we'll see if Topstep takes their #1 spot back or not. That's it for now. Thank you for joining me. As always, join me every day, Monday through Friday. We trade live, 8 a.m. Eastern. Follow me on social media for other big news in the prop firm world. Till next time, bye.